A great meet you, Medellín. Presented by Doris Gamboa Pardo. Last December, visit Medellín spectacular. I went with my parents, brothers-in-law, nephew, my children and husband, live a cousin, aunts, accompany us during the walk. We all paid for a house to stay in. The food was paying a moderate rate. During the 7 days of walking, enjoyed the rock climbing of the Peñol, the metro and the Metrocable and knew the town of the country, but what I like was the impact Hacienda Plus. Climbing of Medellin. In Medellin, summer and hot winter, and comfy hot and humid and cloudy throughout the year. Recommendation. It is recommended to wear sports shower. Is important to take pics of memory. It is a good idea to visit the best place in Medellin. It is important that you apply a blocker. It is recommended to wear camper, chino, the city and pillets. It is recommended to set aside 2 months before. It is recommended to eat country dishes. A good idea to bring back memory of the world ride. What to should do if who want to go to Medellin, who must fast check price of hotel and house, who better bring a snack to the Hacienda Naples, in the place too expensive. What to should not do? Who should go to meals, thinkers, neighborhoods in Medellin? Do not guided by people who know or are recommended.